Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to spend 5 unforgettable days in New York City. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the serene beauty of Central Park, this itinerary is packed with must-see landmarks, local favorites, and hidden gems. Stick around until the end for an insider tip that will make your trip truly special. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel itineraries and tips. Let's dive into the magic of NYC together. Best time to visit. New York City is a year-round destination, but the best times to visit are from April to June and September to early November. During these months, the weather is pleasant and the city is buzzing with events and festivals. Spring brings blooming flowers to Central Park, while fall offers stunning foliage and comfortable temperatures. Perfect for exploring the city on foot. City airport tips. Most international visitors arrive at John F. Kennedy International Airport (JFK) or Newark Liberty International Airport (EEWR). Both airports are well connected to Manhattan. From JFK, the air train and subway or the Long Island Railroad will get you to the city center for around $10. From Newark, the air train and NJ Transit train to Penn Station costs approximately $15. Where to stay in New York City? For first-time visitors, staying in Midtown Manhattan is ideal. It's close to major attractions like Times Square, Central Park, and Broadway. Hotels in this area range from $150 to $400 per night. For a more authentic experience, consider staying in neighborhoods like Greenwich Village or the Lower East Side, where boutique hotels and charming B&Bs offer rates between $100 and $300 per night. How to get around the city. New York City's public transportation system is extensive and efficient. The subway is the most convenient way to get around, with a single ride costing $2.75 USD. Consider purchasing a 7-day unlimited Metro card for $33 USD, which allows unlimited travel on subways and buses. For short distances, walking and biking are excellent options, with city bike rentals available for $12 USD per day. Day 1, exploring the Heart of NYC, morning free NYC walking tour. Kick off your NYC adventure with a free walking tour led by locals who volunteer their time. It's a great way to get to know the city and make new friends. Companies like Big Apple Greeters and Free Tours by Foot offer a variety of tours, from exploring Chelsea and the High Line to discovering Soho and Little Italy. Remember to reserve your spot in advance as these tours fill up quickly. Insider tip: wear comfortable walking shoes and bring a bottle of water. Consider tipping your guide as a token of appreciation. Afternoon Metropolitan Museum of Art. No visit to NYC is complete without exploring its world-renowned museums. Start with the Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the largest and most famous art museums globally. If art isn't your thing, you can visit other iconic museums like the Museum of Modern Art or the American Museum of Natural History. Insider tip: arrive early to beat the crowds. If you plan to visit multiple museums, consider getting a city pass for discounted access. Evening Times Square. As the evening sets in, head to Times Square to experience its dazzling lights. Though it might be touristy, it's an iconic part of NYC that you can't miss. Be cautious of street performers who may charge for photos, and enjoy the electric atmosphere. Dinner. For a classic New York dinner, try Carmine's Italian restaurant near Times Square. Indulge in their chicken parmigiana and don't forget to reserve a table in advance. Day 2, iconic landmarks and Broadway fun. Morning bagel breakfast. Start your day with a quintessential New York bagel. Popular spots like Absolute Bagels and Tompkins Square Bagels serve up delicious options, perfect for an on-the-go breakfast. Insider tip: visit early for the freshest bagels and avoid long lines. Late morning Liberty Island and Ellis Island. Spend the day exploring the iconic Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Take a ferry from Battery Park to Liberty Island, and don't miss the chance to visit the museum and climb up to the pedestal for stunning views. Insider tip: book your tickets in advance and arrive early to avoid crowds. Bring snacks and water, as food on the islands can be pricey. Evening Broadway show. No trip to NYC is complete without catching a Broadway show. Whether you opt for a top hit like Hamilton or a classic like Wicked, be sure to book your tickets in advance. Dinner Joe Allen Restaurant in the Theater District is perfect for a pre- or post-show meal. Try their famous meatloaf or a lighter Caesar salad with grilled shrimp. Day 3. Beyond Manhattan, morning Brooklyn Bridge and Dumbo. Start your day with a walk across the historic Brooklyn Bridge, capturing stunning views of the New York City skyline. Explore the charming Dumbo neighborhood, known for its cobblestone streets, trendy boutiques, and amazing eateries. Insider tip: For a unique perspective, visit the rooftop at Time Out Market in Dumbo for a bite to eat and a panoramic view. Afternoon 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Visit the 9/11 Memorial to pay your respects and explore the museum for a deep dive into the history of the events surrounding 9/11. It's a somber but essential part of your New York experience. Insider tip: book museum tickets in advance, especially during peak times. Allow yourself several hours to fully take in the exhibits. Evening the High Line. End your day with a leisurely walk along the High Line, an elevated park built on a former train track. Enjoy the unique views of the city and the beautiful plant life along the way. Insider tip: visit just before sunset to enjoy the park in both daylight and dusk. Day 4. Culture and shopping. Morning Central Park. Spend your morning exploring Central Park. Whether you choose to picnic, rent a bike, or simply stroll through the park, this iconic green space offers a peaceful retreat in the middle of the bustling city. Insider tip: visit Zabar's on the Upper West Side for a delicious sandwich to enjoy in the park. Afternoon Museum of Modern Art, also known as MoMA. Immerse yourself in modern art at MoMA, home to works by artists like Van Gogh and Picasso. If modern art isn't your thing, consider visiting the American Museum of Natural History instead. Insider tip: take advantage of MoMA's free hours on Friday evenings from 4 to 8 p.m. Day 5, shopping and sightseeing. Morning shopping in Soho. Spend your final day in New York City shopping in Soho, known for its trendy boutiques and art galleries. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or unique souvenirs, Soho has it all. Afternoon, visit the Empire State Building. No New York City trip is complete without visiting the Empire State Building. Head to the observation deck for stunning panoramic views of the city. Evening farewell. Dinner in Little Italy. Wrap up your New York City adventure with a farewell dinner in Little Italy. Enjoy authentic Italian cuisine in a charming setting. A perfect way to end your trip. This 5-day itinerary covers the best of New York City, balancing iconic landmarks with local experiences. Whether it's your first time in the city or a return visit, these tips will help you make the most of your time in the Big Apple. Happy travels!